12 things that attract the really good guys. If you've been disappointed by the men you've dated or think dating is difficult, I'd like to reassure you that you can improve your dating experience. Rather than believing that the men you meet are random or that you must wait for the person to choose you, you have control over the type of men who enter your life. A man will be more drawn to a lady who has certain tendencies he can't resist. Know this, you have the capacity to improve your dating life by adjusting yourself in ways that allow you to be yourself. You may end the cycle of dating men who do not respect, value, or appreciate you by changing yourself. You'll also attract and date higher quality guys as a result of this approach. 1. Be the type of person you'd like to attract. If you're not living the same life he is, you'll never get the proper person to notice you. So you enjoy traveling, but you're usually inside. You enjoy boxing, but never attend boxing matches. You like yoga, yet you go to the gym. We are drawn to the individuals with whom we associate. So if you want a fit gym bunny, don't expect to see him eating fast food every day. You must be the person you want to attract rather than the person you want. 2. Be the woman who treats herself the way she wants to be treated by him. It astounds me to hear women describe the treatment they want, the restaurants where they want to dine, the vacations they want to take, and the pampering they desire. They, on the other hand, are stingy with their money and invest in doing these things for themselves. Mind boggles. Whether you're in a relationship or not, you should do this all of the time. Make a promise to yourself that you will never again be cheap with yourself. Ignore menu pricing. Stop waiting for a sale to happen. Invest as much as you can in yourself, whatever that looks like for you. Don't be careless with your money, but don't deprive yourself of the joys that will make you feel special and successful. You're both of them. Take care of yourself first if you want to attract a high-value man. This applies to all males, not just high-quality ones. Women who don't look after themselves are less appealing to others. If you want a high-quality man to notice you, you must first draw his attention. To begin, consider what you see in the mirror. We're not talking about your physical attributes or anything like that. If you look in the mirror and find someone who is fatigued, tired, bored, and uninterested in life, you should address it first. Find activities that are beneficial to you and begin performing them. For example, go out and be with the nature for half an hour while listening to music you enjoy. You will notice that you feel better and have more energy over time if you do it this way. 3. Take the initiative and stand on your own 2 feet. Yes, you must also be able to stand on your own 2 feet if you want to attract a wonderful man. Women who can stand on their own 2 feet and control their life appeal to high-quality guys. Because a lot of women have recently been focusing on finding a wealthy spouse and settling down with him. This is a wrong viewpoint, and high-quality guys are constantly aware of it. So be strong and stand on your own 2 feet. Find a career that fascinates you and try your best to develop yourself while doing it. 4. Set higher standards for yourself. Set expectations for how you want to be treated, how you want to feel, what is and is not acceptable, and so on. Then adhere to these guidelines. Instead of suppressing your voice at the first clue that you don't like how a man treats you, speak up. If he treats you badly again, you should leave. By staying, you're teaching him that it's fine for him to treat you badly. 5. You should know what you desire. Many women believe it is impolite to express their desire for a relationship, yet honesty is always the best strategy. You'll weed out the players if nothing else. 6. Mature conversations. A lady who can talk a lot of sense in a man's life is something men like but rarely confess. Nothing makes a man feel more fortunate than meeting a lady who transforms his perspective on life. Men admire women who can have an intelligent talk. Rather than making a guy feel that he is the only one who has to make judgments in practically every circumstance, you, as a woman, should show him that you understand the issue and can assist him in making the best decisions possible. While a man feels like he has someone he can rely on when making difficult decisions, conversations may go a long way. A man will never place himself in a situation where he will lose such a woman. Sorry for interrupting, but I just wanted to quickly remind you that if you're liking the video so far, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification if you haven't already, because we have a lot of exciting videos coming up. 7. Allow yourself to be a woman. You take away a man's drive and tendency to do things for you if you prefer to play the part of the man. Instead of being the man, connect with your femininity and be the woman. Responding is more important than initiating, accept graciously. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable allows you to show your gentler side. A guy feels encouraged to treat you like the queen you are when he senses your feminine energy. If you need help in this area, we have published a video on how to be more feminine. Go watch that and take inspiration. 8. Show how well connected you are. What one thing demonstrates to a man that you are a well-rounded person? There are many wonderful friends and family links. When we observe someone have long-term friends, we have faith in their ability to keep connections going. When we observe someone who is connected to their family, we know they may create strong ties. All of these traits indicate a well-balanced human being. 9. Act in a natural way. If you wish to attract a man of great worth, when you meet him, avoid acting artificially and simply be yourself. Artificial people, in particular, irritate high-quality men. That is why it is crucial to act naturally and authentically. Even if you have a relationship in the future, trying to be someone you are not and portraying yourself as such will lose interest in you when the truth is revealed. As a result, be mindful of being natural. 10. Don't be a liar and put your faith in him. Lying is maybe one of the most serious diseases of our day. Isn't it true that no one enjoys lying? Always be honest with a high-value man if you want to attract him. Of course, the point we're trying to make here isn't about pink lies. Keep big lies to a minimum and tell him the truth even if you know any circumstance would irritate him. This will persuade him to believe in you. You'll be able to attract a high-value man this way. 11. Checking up on him. This is a big one. Checking in on a person on a regular basis will drive him crazy. Men enjoy ladies who start a conversation and question about their day. The majority of the time, men will hide their emotions. However, if you can regularly check in on a man and get him to tell you how he's doing, you have a greater influence on that man's life than you can think. Men find women who text first, call sometimes, and occasionally invite them out for a pleasant hangout or date attractive. 12. Now go! Unfortunately, this dating advice is useless until you put it into practice. So, if you're serious about dating Mr. Right, you'll have to go out and find him. Well, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching.